In today's video, I will show you how to get paid just by selling Canva templates, which is one of the easiest digital products to profit online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to make money online selling Canva templates. If you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I can notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. So, the first step is go to Canva and design your templates. The second step, go to this website and post your templates. And the final step, cash out your earnings with your bank or PayPal. The method which I will be showing you today is 100% free, so you don't need to invest any money at all. And this is available worldwide. So, wherever you are around the world, you can do this. In just a moment, I show you step by step on how to do this. The first step is I want you to go to canva.com. If you are not familiar with Canva, this is a free website where you can create beautiful layouts, graphic designs, and even videos. It is a photo editor, video maker, and logo creator all in one free editing app. As you can see, as we browse to the homepage of their website, Canva has already pre-made sizes of different types of graphic layout you can think of. You can see it has presentation, logo, Instagram post, book cover, ebook cover, desktop wallpaper, video, banners, resume, posters, flyers, and many more. You name it, they have it. You will never have to worry of the proper dimensions of the template you will be making. Now, if you can't find the type of template you want to design, you can always use the search bar. Another great thing about Canva is that it has its own pre-made templates. Like for example, if I click Instagram post template, this will take me to the editing section, and it will show me a bunch of pre-made templates I can use to design my own. You will also have access to different types of stock photos and fonts you can use to complement your template design. So just go to the left side of the screen, and you can explore more of this feature. As you browse the stock photos or fonts, you might see pictures or fonts that have a crown icon on it. The crown icon means that picture or font is for Canva Pro members. Free members can still use these graphics, but the design will have a watermark on it. Now, if you want to use Canva in the long term to profit online and unlock the full features of the app, you might want to consider upgrading to becoming Canva Pro member. Pricing for Canva Pro is $12.99 monthly or $119.99 yearly billing. If you are interested in this, you can try Pro free for 30 days. Now, this is just an option if you are not making money yet. It's okay to be a free Canva member. There are a lot of features and free templates you can use as a free member, and you can still design beautiful templates. Now, before we move on in designing our template, I want to show you first the learning section in Canva. In the upper portion of the website, click on Learn and then Designing. This will take you to free video tutorials on how to design the proper way, not only tutorials about using Canva but designing in general. As you can see, there are different topics you can learn from, like choosing the right font, marrying text and images, creative color palettes, photo filters, color relationship, and many more. The reason why I showed you this before starting to design your template is for you to be able to make templates that are aesthetically pleasing, unique, and trendy. So be sure to watch some of these videos before creating your first template to sell. These videos will be beneficial not only for templates, but also for other graphics you design as well. Now let's move on in designing our template. But before that, comment down below, where are you watching from? In that way, I will know exactly where you are from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Going back to the video. We now move on to designing our template. In designing our template, we should first choose a niche where we are most familiar with or a niche that we most liked. For example, if you are a YouTuber, you might want to design templates related to creating thumbnails and channel arts. If you are active on Instagram, you can design templates for Instagram posts and stories. If you are active on Facebook, you can design templates for cover photos and Facebook posts. For this example, we will be using Instagram post for our template. So just click Instagram post, then we will be redirected to the editing page. Now I will choose this template. As you can see, this template already looks good and can already be sold on its own. But I suggest to create a design of your own. Maybe tweak the design a little bit to make it look unique and have a touch of your own design. Change the font, add or remove some borders and change the color. Now go to the Styles section on the left side of the website. As you can see, we can select different types of color combinations with styles. Just by selecting a different color scheme, the template design also changes like it's a different product. This will be useful later on in posting our templates and getting more sales. Now once you are finished with the design, we can close it or download it later on. Canva automatically saves your work whenever you are online. To share your template, you just simply click the button right here, and it will give a shareable link to the template design. This is how we can sell editable templates in Canva. Now we move on to the website, which will be making us money selling templates. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Now for the second step, we will be going to a website called Etsy.com. This is where we can sell our template design. Etsy is a global marketplace where you can buy and sell physical and digital items online. Here you can find unique and vintage items that you may not ordinarily find in the market. They have different categories like jewelries and accessories, clothing and shoes, home and living, wedding and party, and many more. Now what we will do here first is to validate if our design templates have a market and is really selling online. We do that by just going to the search bar and typing in our product. For this example, I will type Instagram templates. As you can see, appearing at the top of the search results are ads. These are sellers who have availed paid ads with Etsy, so their designs will appear on top. You can also see different types of niche under Instagram templates, like there is a niche for real estate, skincare, coaching, and other types of businesses. Later on, you might want to focus in one of these niches to get less competition and more sales. But before doing that, do some research first. Now, upon close inspection of this item for sale, which is focused on real estate by SimpleBiz Branding, we can see they have made 3,742 sales with this item alone. The price for this item is about $20. If we multiply that with 3,742, we will be arriving at an answer of 74,840. So this means, just by selling this type of template, the seller has already earned about $70,000 overall. Now, let's check other posts if they are earning as well. So, this is a product by Create Studio. As you can see, they have made 8,743 sales overall. This is more than the number of the previous product we checked. So, this product includes 68 Instagram post templates and priced at $12. With that data, we can estimate that seller has earned about $100,000 with just this product alone. Included in the 68 Instagram templates are charts and diagrams, flows, lists and resources, reminders and notifications, and many more. As you can see, the seller categorized each template design and bundled them together to make one product. By examining sellers in your niche, you will find templates that are selling effectively. You may want to create similar template design ideas from best-selling items here in Etsy. You can draw inspiration from examining what items are selling within your niche. You can categorize and bundle them up together to make one product like what the top sellers are doing. But be sure to make it unique and be your own design. Now that we have validated our product, the only thing left to do is to launch our business and start to get paid. Now, for this step, I will give you 3 tips to be successful and profitable in your launch. The first tip is to launch a product that is with similar features or more from a winning product of your competitor. For example, if the product of your competitor offers 60 templates, you offer 65 or more. Be sure to make your product design unique and attractive. Second, during your business launch. Launch your products at a discount. For example, during launch, make your product 40% less price than its normal for a limited time, like a week or so. So, if you are selling at $15, your price will be at only $9. This will make your product convert more sales and have a more competitive edge against your competitors. This will also help you gain momentum in the marketplace. Third, when you start getting sales, make sure to deliver your service fast and troubleshoot problems along the way. Be sure to respond with customers' requests right away. So why is this important? When we are starting our business, it is important that our buyers and customers have a good customer experience when buying our product. If we service them well, they can give us good and positive reviews. Or even if they experience a problem along the way, if we solve it and communicated properly, the customer will still give us a good review. Reviews and testimonials are important for businesses. If you have high positive reviews, chances are you will be the preferred seller of buyers even if they do not know you. This will skyrocket your sales to the top. Even if you have a bad review from a customer, this is still a positive note on your side. These reviews are actual opinion of people. If you receive a bad review, this means you have to change something with your product or service. This will let you improve your product and service in the future. So that's it for our video today. I hope you have learned a lot. And now, if you want to earn even more money, I can show you an affiliate program that can earn you massive amounts of income with recurring commissions. If you are interested to know more, watch my video about Builderall affiliate program. I will leave a link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications on, so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in the next videos.